EC Glass Packaging Co. Ltd. is located in Easy City, where convenient transportation and a beautiful environment are available. Our company has rich experience in the glass producing industry, and we have professional equipment. We boast over 20 advanced production lines with daily output exceeding 900,000 PCS. We specialize in the manufacturing of daily glass products. Our vertically integrated manufacturing process ensures precision from raw material selection to final inspection, enabling us to deliver both efficiency and consistency. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability has earned us prestigious certifications such as ISO, CE, FDA, TUV, and SGS, ensuring that our products meet the highest international standards. Our main products include liquor glass bottles, beverage glass bottles, perfume glass bottles, reed diffuser glass bottles, glass candle jars, storage glass jars, kitchenwares glass bottles, cosmetic glass bottles, and so on. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We adhere to the quality of survival, reputation, and development of the business philosophy, and strict product quality control, from raw material detection to finished product detection, to achieve closed-loop full inspection, to ensure the quality of products. Our company can offer a variety of services, such as product customization, logo customization, packaging customization, 3D sample producing and design service, OEM, ODM, and so on. Our products are exported to Europe, North America, Asia, South America, the Middle East, and other global regions. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. At DC Glass Packaging, we are more than just a supplier. We are your trusted partner in achieving your business goals. Contact us today, and let's build your brand.